Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video today, I'm going to quickly show you how to add your Visa gift card to Oculus Quest 2. So I'm going to do this through the mobile app and let's get into the video. So firstly, open up the mobile app and make sure that you're on your account here, so logged in and everything. So once you're done with that, simply hit on the menu on your bottom right. So just click on the menu option, and then what you're going to do, you're going to click on the settings here, or just choose settings from here. So when you get to settings here, now under settings, you're going to choose the payment methods here. So simply click on the payment methods. And once you get to payment method here, so now we're going to add our Visa gift card. So to do that, so simply use the add credit or debit card option here. Simply click on it, and then now what you're going to do, you're going to just plug in the details of your Visa card that you want to add. So just plug in the details of it and then hit on add and just confirm it. So that's how you do that. It's pretty easy and a straightforward process. So I hope this video is helpful. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.